Hey guys, so I'm a video editor on YouTube. I work in Final Cut Pro on that little guy right over there. One of the most annoying things on the planet to me, literally, is when I'm trying to figure out how to do something in Final Cut Pro and I go on YouTube and I try to find a tutorial and it's like 45 minutes long and I'm literally trying to figure out how to do one thing. I came up with this idea to do tutorials, like a tutorial in under 2 minutes, get it? These short videos are going to be actionable. They're going to teach you an editing skill in Final Cut Pro that helps you save time, creative energy, and just overall up levels your editing, but in a really short amount of time so that you can go back and reference it if you need to. This first tip I decided I'm going to post because it's life-changing, and when I learned it, like, I literally couldn't believe I didn't know it beforehand. So I'm going to teach you it in under a minute. One of my editor friends taught me this when I was 2 years into it, so I wasted hundreds of hours because I didn't learn this for 2 years. So we are going to recolor this clip because we want the whole video to be a little more sepia toned. Once I like the coloring and I adjust that, I'm going to go to edit and I'm going to copy that clip, and what that does is it copies the attributes of the clip as well. So I'm going to select all the clips I'd like to paste that coloring to and then go to edit paste attributes, and you can see the color board is selected and that's what will paste all the coloring. But you can also paste things like cropping, scaling, you can paste effects, you can also copy and paste presets or skin smoothers that you've added to clips, anything really, and everything is colored really cohesively. So that is a trick that you can use. Hopefully you find that really helpful and you save a ton of time. How did you like it? Did you like the tip? Did it change your life? I'm planning on making this a series long term, so if you have questions, leave them in the comments because I like making tutorials. And I like talking about video editing, Final Cut Pro, YouTube in general. So if you like that type of thing, subscribe to this channel. I post videos every 2 weeks and I will see you guys in the next video.